Hey guys, so I went out and bought another one of the Maybelline Shadow Blocks palettes. This one is called West 4th and Perry. Yeah, West 4th and Perry Street. I've been really gravitating towards warm shadows lately. I don't know what is going on because this is not me. But I just want to show you the three shades so you get this satiny type pinky beige color, and then you get like a shimmery metallic copper, and then you get this mauvey brown shade. Those are the three colors, and if you're looking at these in the stores, you know, the edge of the package are the colors. So I already have a bunch of products on because I did not want this video to be super long, but I did want to say that I also picked up a new concealer. This is the CoverGirl Clean Invisible Concealer, and this blended beautiful over my new NYX Pro Fix Stick that I showed you in the last video. So I was able to blend those two things together. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, watch my last video because this corrector by NYX that just came out is amazing. All right, so I already have corrector and concealer on my eyes. That's what I'm using for a base these days. And just like in yesterday's video, the e.l.f. Primer Infused Bronzer, this is a great place to start for your eye makeup. Do you see that flashing? I don't know what's going on there. Something's happening here. I don't know if I'm getting a power fluctuation in my house or if it's the computer. I don't know what's going on. Hopefully it will stop. I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. And yeah, this is what I'm doing with my eye makeup now. Is just buffing this into the crease area. I'm not going to do it on the lids though like I did in the last video because that's kind of unnecessary with the color that I'm going to be using. But I don't know, this makes so much sense to me, using this in the crease as like a place to start because it does have primer in it, so why not? So this isn't going to be like anything dramatic here by doing this, but I feel like it just is like I said, a good place to start. Okay, so one thing I like to do when I use a new eyeshadow palette is swatch the shadows to see where I'm at. Okay, now that's extremely light. So what we're going to do is we're going to take another brush and just take this light shade up here. Now this is not really what I would call a highlight shade because it's not like light enough on me for that. But we're just going to use this like almost as a transition between this shade and the e.l.f. bronzer that I just put down. Then we're going to go into that coppery shade. And we're going to need a large shader brush for that. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, I don't know what is going on. It's got to be the weather and the seasons changing, because I normally do not gravitate towards these warmer colors, but I'm so drawn to them right now. Oh, that's really, really pigmented and vibrant. I can't believe that I waited this long to try these shadow blocks. Wow, that's really, really intense. All right, so next I'm going to take a small pencil brush and go into this deep shade on the bottom of the stack, and we're going to drag that right along the lower lash line. And I'm also going to take another clean brush, and we're going to take just a little bit more of that, and we're going to put that right in the outer part, just for some definition. So I'm applying and blending at the same time, like that. All right, I like that. Okay. Now, what I'm noticing, ever since I got this CoverGirl Ultramarine shade of navy blue and the L'Oreal Infallible eyeliner that I just picked up, navy blue is now a neutral for me, and I pair it with all these warm toned looks, and I think it just is a great combination. So let's pop this on the waterline. Yeah, navy blue with warm colors I think looks really good. And you wouldn't think that it would, but I really like it. Look at that. And I'm just doing one eye at a time just to save time. On my lips is Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Don't Panic, and my Hard Candy lip liner in Kiss and Tell. Yeah, this mascara has completely changed the way I look at color, and this is such a staple for me now. I'm so glad that I got this. But yeah, navy blue goes with so many colors. Like, it's unbelievable. I have a package coming in the mail with something that I want to do a look with, and it's a pretty intense color, but I'm gonna put blue with that too because it just goes with everything. And I watched this video yesterday on YouTube where somebody was talking about trends, and they were saying that pops of blue were going to be popular this coming year. So I'm ahead of the trend here. I'm way ahead of the trend. That's the story of my life. I seem to instinctively know what's going to happen before it actually happens. We'll call it psychic ability, but really it's just my tastes in things, I think. You know, because I'm really enjoying this, and I just love the way this blue looks against these warm colors. I think it's stunning. All right, let me shut the camera off and come back, and then we're going to talk about something else. Okay, so this is the finished look, and yeah, I love the navy blue mascara and the navy blue eyeliner with this warm toned shadow palette. So yeah, don't snooze on these Maybelline shadow blocks. The quality of the shadows are really nice, and I really like them. Really enjoying the two that I have now. Now, the other thing I wanted to talk to you about has nothing to do with makeup, but I don't want you to miss out on this. Every morning for the last month or so, I've been eating this for breakfast, and it's limited edition, so if you snooze, you lose. There's probably not much left on the shelves at the stores, but this is so delicious, you guys. This is at Target, and it's their brand, which is called Good and Gather. The pumpkin spice instant oatmeal. Oh, there's something going on in my neighborhood because I can hear some machinery. It's like a droning machinery noise, and it's affecting the power flow to my house. Anyways, Good and Gather pumpkin spice instant oatmeal. This is so delicious. Grab it while you can because when it's gone, it's gone. Limited time only. But I eat this every morning for breakfast, and I put just a handful of walnuts in it, and I have a banana with it. And that is my breakfast every single day. I absolutely love it, and I just wanted to let you guys know about it because it is so good. All right, I better stop this before I lose the power altogether. Oh man. Okay, sorry about the lighting stuff, but yeah, something's going on in my neighborhood.